Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute and simple crochet wreath ornament for your Christmas tree, and it looks super cute, so keep on watching. Okay friends, so for this tutorial you are going to need a yarn needle, a little bow, a mason jar lid, some chunky yarn. This is the Lion brand, feels like Bliss, and it's some leftover I had, and some glue, a glue gun or whatever you have on hand to glue your bow. You're also going to need a 7mm crochet hook. So let's get started. Alright, so before we make our slip knot, we're going to leave about this much from our yarn, because we're going to use that to hang our ornament on the tree. So now I am making my slip knot, and I'm going to start chaining, and the amount of chains doesn't really matter. You're only going to need to make the chain long enough, and I will leave the exact measurements here in a bit. Alright, so here I have my really long chain, and I actually connected two of them together, but you can do yours all at once. I just had some leftover yarn that I connected together, and the length should be 36 inches long, and that was enough for me to cover my mason jar lid. So now I'm going to start by wrapping around the chain that we did around the mason jar lid. And we are not going to wrap around that yarn that is not chain, just the part that has the chains. Okay, so all you do is just wrap it around the mason jar lid until it's completely covered. So just keep doing that until you reach the other side, and then I will show you how I tied mine together at the end. Alright, so here I reached the end, and I'm just going to grab the two ends of the yarn strands that we did in chain, and I'm just going to tie them together, and I will be making a knot. And then I will make another knot at the very top, so that way I can hang it on my tree afterwards. And here I'm just going to weave in my ends. If you have any, go ahead and just weave them through the back. But if not, you don't really need to weave in any ends. But I do, since I connected two strands together. Okay friends, we are almost done, and all we have to do is place our bow on our wreath. And here's my little bow. I actually stole it from another ornament, but you can get them at the Dollar Tree, Walmart. I've seen them there. Wherever you can find a cute bow, go ahead and get it. Alright, so now we're just going to place some hot glue on the bow, and then we'll place it on the wreath, and we are pretty much done, you guys. How easy was this cute little ornament for your tree? Let me know in the comments if you like it, if you plan on making one, and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Bye guys.